Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening Android Studio and selecting the app module you want to test. Set a run/debug configuration for your device or emulator. Make sure it targets the correct build variant. Then, click the left gutter beside the line of code to add a breakpoint. This pauses execution when reached. Once done, check the breakpoint icon turns red so Android Studio will stop there. This gives you a live entry point to inspect variables and the call stack, which is why we set it early. Once paused at a breakpoint, you use the debug tool window to inspect variables, threads, and stack frames so you can see how state evolves. Make a breakpoint conditional when you only want it to trigger under a specific expression. Right-click the breakpoint, enter a condition, or add a log message to avoid stopping every time. Also, you can set a hit count to pause on the nth hit. These techniques reduce noise and focus you on the exact scenario that matters. To finish, control program flow with step over, step into, step out, and resume so you can trace logic line by line. Make sure you attach to the right process or activity. If you need to reuse settings, export breakpoint configurations for teammates. If a breakpoint refuses to hit, confirm you're running a debug build, that ProGuard or R8 hasn't altered code, and that the correct process is selected. This troubleshooting tip solves most.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.